Number 8, first personal foul. And number 27, first personal foul. Back to the ball game. Start na po tayo ng third quarter. Yellow ball po tayo. Change score. Out of bounds, black ball. Foul number 24. Number 24, second personal foul. Black team, first team foul. First row number 14. Basket. Second row, number 14. No basket. Number 12, 2 points on number 12. Seconds to shoot. 10 second shot clock. Number 16, 2 points. Official score, 30-32 in favor of Black team. 15 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds, black ball. Power. Tapo. 72 in. Sino po? Power. 72 in. Number 13, out. Parang hindi po sa ano. Five seconds to shoot. What? Official score 42-34 in favor of black team. Time remaining 6 minutes and 45 seconds. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Yellow ball. By number 3. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Wow! Hindi ba ako tagulat dahil sa ilalim? Sorry na. Para natin? Black team. Number 11 ng yellow team, first personal foul. Ay, yellow ba? Black. Black pala, black. Sorry po. Number 11 ng black team, first personal foul. Black team, second team foul. Official score 36-42 in favor of black team. Time remaining 5 minutes and 31 seconds for the third quarter. Back to the ball game. First goal on number 16. No bucket on number 16. Second throw on number 16. No basket again. Out of bounds, yellow ball.
Ready?
Second shot clock. Foul. Foul number 72. Number 72, second personal foul. Black team, third team foul. First goal on number 14. Basket. Second goal on number 14. No basket. Number 13, 2 points. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Second shot clock. Defense by number quarter. Nagamit niyo na po ngayon. Black team, remind ko lang po, meron na lang po kayo isang timeout sa fourth quarter. Time remaining 3 minutes and 31 seconds for the third quarter. Official score, 44-42. Change favor, yellow team. Fifteen seconds shot clock. Number 3 points by number 8. 15 seconds shot clock. Foul. Foul number 72. Number 72 yung third. Personal foul. Warning for penalty. Black team. Personal number 12. No basket by number 12. Second show, basket of number 12. All 45. All 45. Foul. Foul number 12. Number 12, first personal foul. Yellow team, first team foul. First foul on number 13. No basket by number 13. Second throw on number 13. Basket. Second shot clock. Airborne. Number 11. 2 points by number 11.
Go.
Out of bounds. Same ball. 12 seconds shot clock. 12 seconds shot clock. Time remaining 2 minutes and 4 seconds. 12 seconds shot clock. Eight seconds shot clock. Out of bounds. Cover. Stop. 16 in. 12 out. Black ball. Cover. Pero pag po tayo sa saba, para po ano, lalapit po tayo sa bench, sa committee. At po, 16 in, 71 out. Lapit po tayo sa committee magsa-sub po. Number 8, all along. 2 points for number 8. Time remaining 1 minute and 23 seconds. So official score 45-50 in favor of Black team. 15 seconds shot clock. Still. Number 11, 2 points. Time remaining 1 minute for the third quarter. 15 seconds shot clock. 43 seconds. Number 16, 2 points. 35 seconds. Nice pass. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 14. Foul. Foul number 8. Second personal foul. Penalty. 3 shots for number 14. First goal on number 14. No basket for number 14. Second goal. Basket by number 14. Last goal by number 14. Basket by number 14. 17 seconds. 17. 12 seconds. 8 seconds. 5. 3. End of the third quarter. Official score 54-47 in favor of Black Team. Pinapaalala ko lang po, meron na lang po isang timeout ang Black Team at ang Yellow Team ay meron dalawang timeout. Ay, tatlong timeout po pala. Tatlong timeout sa Yellow Team. Sa Black Team, meron na lang po kayong isang timeout. Back to the ball game. Start na po tayo ng last and final quarter. Foul number 9. Number 9, first personal foul. 2 shots on number 41. First goal. Basket. Second goal on number 41. Yellow ball. By number 21, yellow ball. Oh, sa kabila pala yun. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul. Foul number 71. Number 71, first personal foul. 2 shots from number 14. First goal. Basket for number 14. Second goal. Basket ulit for number 17. Official score 89-55 in favor of Black Team. clock. Number 37, no basket. Foul. Foul, number 31. Number 31, first personal foul. Second team foul for black team. Sable. Foul. Foul on number 27. Number 27, second personal foul. Black team, third team foul. Time remaining 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Short. Black ball. Official score, 49-55 in favor of black team. Lamang lang po ng anim ang black. Seconds to shoot. 10 seconds shot clock. 9 seconds clock. Stay ball. 6 seconds shot clock. 6 seconds shot clock. 41, 3 points. Number 11. Pumito pa rin. By number 11. Official score 49-61. Lumabas na po ang alaman. Yellow team. Lumabas na po ang alaman. 49-61 in favor of black team. Time remaining 6 minutes and 59 seconds for the last and final quarter. Meron na lang pong dalawang timeout ang yellow. May isang timeout pa lang ang black team. Back to the ball game. Automatic po yan, magtusap. Pasok. Second shot clock. Number 3, binalik. Number 11. A 45 on number 11. Second personal foul. Seconds to shoot. Number 3, 10 seconds to shoot. Foul. Number 16, black foul. Number 16, first personal foul. Warning for penalty, black team. Time remaining 6 minutes and 7 seconds. Number 5, basket. Number 2 points for number 72. 15 second shot clock. 15 second shot clock. Number 16. Number 3. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 16, tuloy na sa press. Wala. Rebound na number 16. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 32, this is your time. Official score of warning, delaying the game. Warning po, warning. Official score 49-67 in favor of black team. Number 7, 2 points. Time remaining, 4 minutes and 20 seconds for the last and final quarter. 15 seconds shot clock. By Johnny Supaco, number 11. Wala pa po. Bawal pa po. Wala pa po tayong live ball. Live ball po. Pagka-technical po. Pag-technical po ang sub. Number 12, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 12, wala. 72, cover. Pwede na po. Sub, sige po. Pasok po lahat na pumasok. Pasok po! Okay na po! Number 16. Dire-diretso? 2 points by number 16. Time remaining 3 minutes and 25 seconds for the last and final quarter. For number 24. First row. Wala. Second row for number 24. Number 24, basket. Ang pangalawang tira. Official score 49-75. Time remaining 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Number 12, basket by number 12. Traveling error by number 16. Yellow ball. Last 2 minutes! Last 2 minutes in the final quarter. Subject! Number 8, 11 out. Contact out. Sa kanila. Official score 51-75 in favor of black team. Number 24, wala. basket by number 12. Second throw on number 12. Number 12, no basket. Number 15, Aragon. Number 15, easy, 2 points. Official score, 79-52 in favor of Black Team. Remaining time, last 1 minute and 7 seconds for the last and final quarter. Number, tumira sa press. Tumira. Wala. 53 seconds. Steal. Steal. Sila sa number 16. Uminto sa press. Tumira. Wala din. Out of bounds. Yellow ball. 39.9 seconds for the last and final quarter. Number 3. Wala. Number 21. Number 21. Remaining number 24. Number 24. Wala. Number, wala pa rin. 15 seconds. Number 21. Number 21. Out of bounds. Nahirapan pa si Kuya, Kasmala. Kayo naman. Dinagabol niyo pa si Kuya, seconds na lang. Wala na. 2 seconds. Ayan na, wala na. And the game. Congratulations, Black Team for winning. Official score and final score is 62-79. Ang ating player of the game is Baco UTC.